Hi, it's Mark and Sam. It's 4th of July in Sturgis, South Dakota. Stopped here at the city park. Figured let Sam get out, roll around in the grass, do what she wants to do. Just took a trip down Main Street in Sturgis, South Dakota. And give you all it's on another video, give you all an idea of what Sturgis looks like when the motorcycle rally isn't going on. I would imagine Sturgis will have some kind of festivities for the 4th of July. I was driving down the street and saw some kids, about 4 or 5 kids, and their, I would say, father, who knows, could have been their uncle, shooting off fireworks in the street. But it's about noon, so things haven't gotten going yet. I don't know what they're gonna do. Sam. What do you think? Going out. But there's some people here at the park already. I think people making a lunch, or got some boys over here playing baseball. Where you going, Sam? Just let her investigate. Lost her in the sun there for a minute. I'm gonna lay down. Oh, let's roll in the grass. Nice city park. We got people, boys hitting baseballs, people riding their bikes, plenty of shade trees. Got a family over there at the pavilion. I think they're getting ready to make a lunch or something, or just a family outing on the 4th of July in Sturgis, South Dakota. Please be sure to subscribe, like, make comments, share with your family and friends. And this video has been mostly about Sam, since she doesn't get in the videos too often. Right, Sam? Hey.